Bridges are very crucial infrastructures, serving as vital links to connecting regions and facilitating smooth flow of transportation and trade. In the East African region, where the landscape is diverse with numerous water bodies, bridges play important roles in day-to-day activities. In this video, we are going to cover the top 7 longest bridges in the East African region. Number 7. Nyali Bridge, Kenya, 391 meters. The Nyali Bridge is a concrete bridge that links the city of Mombasa on Mombasa Island to mainland Kenya. The bridge is one of the 3 linkouts of Mombasa, the others being the Kipevu and Makupa causeways. The construction of the bridge was completed in 1981, and in 2005, major repairs were done on the bridge. Number 6. The Kilifi Bridge, Kenya, 420 meters. Currently, the Kilifi Bridge is the second longest bridge in Kenya with a total length of 420 meters. The bridge connects Kilifi town towards the north and Mnarani town towards the south. Upon its completion, the bridge replaced the ferry which was being used before the bridge was constructed. Number 5. The new Jinja Bridge, Uganda, 525 meters. Located about 80 kilometers east of Kampala, the capital city of Uganda, the new Jinja Bridge, also called the source of the Nile Bridge, is a 525 meters long cable-stayed bridge constructed across the River Nile at Jinja. The bridge, which was financed by the Japanese government, was the first cable-stayed bridge in the East African region and connects landlocked Uganda to Kenya and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Number 4. The Nyerere Bridge, Tanzania, 690 meters. The Nyerere Bridge, also called the Kigamboni Bridge, is a 690 meters long bridge located in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. The construction of the bridge was completed in 2016 at an estimated cost of 140 million USD. The Nyerere Bridge is the longest cable-stayed bridge in the East African region and one of the most beautiful, carrying 6 lanes of traffic and 2 pedestrian paths. Number 3. The Unity Bridge, Tanzania, 720 meters. The construction of the Unity Bridge was first proposed in early 1975, just after Mozambique got its independence from the Portuguese. Tanzania and Mozambique agreed to split the cost for the construction of the bridge, but the bridge was not finished due to lack of funds. In 2005, the national governments of the two countries resumed the construction of the bridge, and this time round, the construction of the bridge was completed in 2008. The Unity Bridge, which is constructed across the Ruvuma River, connects Tanzania and Mozambique. Number 2. The Mkapa Bridge, Tanzania, 970 meters. The Mkapa Bridge is the longest bridge in Tanzania constructed across the Rufiji River. The bridge is named after Benjamin Mkapa, the third president of Tanzania. The construction of the bridge was financed through a $30 million loan from the Kuwait Fund, OPEC, and the government of Saudi Arabia. The bridge has massively improved connectivity, linking the southern regions to other important areas of the country. And finally, topping the list of the top 7 longest bridges in the East African region is the Mwache Mteza Bridge in Kenya at 1.4 kilometers long. The Mwache Mteza Bridge, which is in the final stages of construction, is expected to be the longest bridge over water in Kenya and the East African region at large, measuring 1.4 kilometers long. The bridge runs in a southerly direction, crossing the Mwache Creek and going through Sunza Peninsula before turning eastwards across the Mteza Creek. Upon completion, the bridge will provide direct access to and from the Moi International Airport and the SGR terminus at Miritini, hence improving tourism and hospitality in the region. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Be sure to like, share and subscribe as I bring you more information on the African continent, people and culture.